Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. When it comes to investing, for some reason, you think it's too complicated for you to begin to understand. Well, interestingly enough, it's 2018 and you can start making money while investing with just using an app and your smartphone. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that in today's video. This incredibly easy to use app was created for the average investor as an effective learning tool to help them better understand how investing works. Also, since you're already watching this, you might as well get paid for your time. And by clicking the link below, Stash will give you $5 to begin investing with if you sign up today. Stash offers a solid ETF base for you to choose from, with investments coming from Vanguard, BlackRock, and Invesco. They recently added individual companies such as 3M, Amazon, Apple, hundreds of others that are publicly traded on the stock exchange. This is really good for you because you now don't have to open an account with a difficult to use interface from E-Trade or TD Ameritrade and can begin investing with something that you understand. They label investments with simple names like blue chips instead of the ticker symbol, which you'd find on other traditional brokerages. Now that I've explained the app a little bit, let me go into how effective and simple dollar cost averaging is when you turn on auto stash, which is a feature that Stash offers. I'm going to show you my largest position size that I have with Stash. As I said before, they label their investments with easy to use names and easy to identify names. And I'll show you an example of that with this right here. It's called Conservative Mix. This is basically the breakdown of my portfolio as of today. My total returns are $47.43. Compared to the prior two videos I made talking about Stash, this is sort of a bigger jump. It's dollar cost averaging in the simplest form. Like I said, I'm going to dive into Conservative Mix. This is what we see here when you're going to choose what to invest. It shows you everything that is allocated into the ETF, the investment detail, which is basically just the ticker symbol and name. It also shows you the risk level, which is conservative. That's actually helpful for beginners because it sort of gives you an idea of what fluctuates more. And I'm holding 11 shares of this ETF currently. This is what Stash gives you. So it basically breaks down what would otherwise be a very difficult to understand investment. It breaks it down for you with terminology that you can understand. I really enjoy this app and I've used it for over a year now. So if you're looking to start using Stash, I suggest you just go for it. You're gonna regret not starting sooner once you do start, because you're gonna realize like you're just sitting on money that is doing nothing for you otherwise. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be making more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time.